Hey everyone, this is Ace here from Ace Spatula, and today we're going to make some pasta carbonara. Now I usually make this dish late at night and I'm done going out with friends, and at 3 o'clock in the morning I usually don't have the most high quality ingredients. I don't have some farm raised pancetta or some artisanal Parmesan cheese. Instead, I have the packaged Parmesan cheese from a pizza place. And I don't even have bacon. Instead, I have Chinese sausage. So today we're gonna make some Chinese sausage pasta carbonara. And to add some umami flavor, we're gonna add some miso paste. Let's look at the ingredients. So we have some eggs, pasta, and obviously some Chinese sausage right here. We have some miso paste, some furikake right here, some sriracha, black pepper, and some Parmesan cheese. And so the next step we need to do is cut the sausage. After you're done cutting these, it's time just to put them in the pan. We got some pan right here. And we're gonna put it in. And we're gonna put this on low on the range. We're gonna let the sausage cook and render out. And while the sausage is cooking, we can cook the pasta. Cook the pasta until it's al dente. While the pasta is cooking, we're gonna add some miso paste into a food processor. Then we're gonna add some sriracha for some little kick into the pasta. Some Parmesan cheese. And furikake. Last but not least, the eggs. Once that's done, you can start mixing the pasta with the sausage. Then add the sauce into the pan, and you don't need pasta water to thicken the sauce because the sauce is already thick. And make sure you turn off the heat because you don't want the eggs from the sauce to scramble. And that's the dish. And all you have to do is plate it. And thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel for new videos.